Projector Animatograph, the world's finest 16mm sound-on-film motion picture projector. For 32 years throughout the world, the name Victor on motion picture equipment has meant rugged design, precision construction, reliability, faithful performance. This precision instrument is permanently housed in an attractive, durable case for constant protection, quiet operation, and true portability. Let us analyze the features that make its screen images so steady, flickerless, and intensely brilliant. Its sound so clear, true, and superior in tone quality. Simplicity in threading is vitally important. Threading the Victor takes but a few seconds. But regardless of how carefully a projector may have been threaded, film emergencies do sometimes occur because of torn perforations, breaks, or faulty splices. 3 exclusive Victor patented safety film trips stop the projector instantly in any emergency. This feature provides constant, faithful protection to your valuable films and is sufficient reason in itself alone to justify purchase of this projector. The one big, oversized drive sprocket demonstrates Victor simplicity. It engages more film perforations, thus relieving strain and distributing the load. Because it does the work of 2 sprockets, it simplifies the projector mechanism. Special rollers lock film perforations on the sprocket teeth. The patented offset film loop gives the film natural side tension, eliminating weave and side sway in the screen image. Another exclusive Victor feature is the swing-out lens mount with its many advantages. The aperture is easy to clean. This stainless steel aperture plate looks loose, but it's just relaxed. Victor design makes damaging front and side pressure in the film channel. Recessed channels and rollers keep picture and soundtrack area from rubbing against metal for protection against scratching. A unique framing device locates each picture without realigning the projector on the screen. Every picture will be perfectly framed. Victor's exclusive dual flexo poles have a direct in and out movement, and as they move the film, a highly perfected shutter mechanism gives absolute flickerless projection. Victor poles don't punch holes in film. They spring into the next perforation. You will instantly appreciate why Victor's direct, permanently aligned optical units are superior to any of the adjustable type. No adjustments other than merely focusing need be, nor can be made. The multiple wall lamp house with spirodraft forced ventilation dissipates the heat to keep the most powerful lamp at safe, even operating temperature, and the lamp house only slightly warm to the touch. You will enjoy longer lamp life and need not fear overheating the mechanism. The permanently mounted reflector and condenser lens can be quickly and easily cleaned. In the lamp house base is mounted a pre-focused socket for standard Mazda projection lamps, available from any lamp dealer and at no extra cost for private brand alignment gadgets. For still picture projection of individual frames, move this one lever up. This inserts a heat-reducing lens and screen into the light beam, preventing film damage. For reverse projection, another simple lever is operated. Merely move the lever back up for regular projection. Of course, silent films can be projected at will and at silent speeds by simply moving this one lever. You have actually seen but 15 of the outstanding features that contribute to the brilliant screen images produced by the Victor Animatograph. Other features make possible Victor's perfect sound, unsurpassed in quality and faithfulness of tone. The sound head has 2 filters, one on each side of the stainless steel stationary sound drum. This drum contributes much to Victor's finer reproduction because it has no moving parts to wear or get out of order. Film movement is definitely superior to any other. The compact design of the pre-focused sound assembly makes possible the use of a wide-angle sound lens, microscopically set and sealed in perfect position. The great depth of focus of this beautifully made lens unit eliminates the necessity of refocusing or of buying an expensive separate sound lens for color sound film. Victor operating conveniences are multiple. A voltage control for the photoelectric cell is readily accessible on the outside of the case for prolonging cell life and eliminating background noise and hiss. A jack and volume control for a microphone, a jack for a phonograph record turntable, and another for a booster amplifier prove valuable for announcements, silent films, or for beautiful record reproductions between reels for dances before and after showings. Further thoughtfulness of operating convenience is visible here. Keyed sockets for electrical supply and speaker cords, on and off switch and volume control, wide-range tone control for a higher high and a lower low tone than any other instrument of its kind, a fuse for constant protection against excessive line voltage. And after the showing is over, what is so aggravating as a slow rewind? Not with Victor. It takes but 55 seconds to rewind an entire 1,600-foot reel. Victor's design fits any and all conditions in the field. Custom-built amplifiers by Victor's own sound engineers in Victor's own factory are very simply attached to the projector unit. The amplifier is beautifully assembled, soldered, and shielded, and is manufactured under full RCA and Western Electric licenses. This amplifier diagram goes out in every animatophone so that any of the thousands of good radio servicemen throughout the world can give it attention if needed. Even the experienced operator is assisted by the keyed parts in the Victor. The photoelectric cell, exciter lamp, projection lamp, speaker and current supply cord plugs, pilot light, and sound drum all can be instantly placed in position without tools, a very important convenience. If kept clean and well oiled, the animatophone will repay you with long, trouble-free, faithful service. 7 oiling points with wicks to assure perfect oil distribution lubricate the entire projector. Only 7. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After purchase service by factory-trained men is actually worth as much as any other item that makes up the cost of a sound projector. Throughout the world, you are always close to a Victor serviceman who has been selected and trained because of outstanding ability and experience. The Victor Animatophone is America's most beautiful sound projector. Here it is demonstrating that it requires no special operator attention when natural color sound film is used. Victor's multiple use units make combinations that offer unmatched utility. This animatophone for small groups is with integral speaker all in one carrying case. Yes, this is the same animatophone projector that we have seen previously, but now with one of its larger speakers, easily carried in 2 small compact cases. This is perfect for all general purpose use. For personal announcements, just plug in your microphone. To play phonograph records, just plug in the turntable. This offers a very efficient and serviceable combination. It is gratifying to know, too, that the largest auditoriums and outdoor stadiums can be perfectly cared for through the simple addition of a booster amplifier, which serves the dual purpose of increasing the power of the motion picture unit and used separately becomes an efficient public address system. Thus, dual service, projecting sound motion pictures in one location, giving perfect public address facilities in an entirely different location. Another exclusive Victor achievement. One of the most important contributions to civilization is the force and power of the 16mm sound motion picture. To this is now added the realism of color. The sun never sets on the thousands of Victor animatophones that are in daily use all over the world in homes, churches, many departments of government, and by important national associations and internationally known industrial firms. With its unmatched ability, the Victor animatophone can and will be always faithfully yours.